guys, so I just got finished making some Mickey Mouse ears. I really wanted to make a tiki room style of mouse ears, and the theme for June's mouse ear swap, if you watched my last video, was a tropical slash cruise theme, and so I thought that this would just be perfect for that theme. My first time in the tiki room was actually on my trip to Disneyland this past winter, and I just fell in love with it, and I especially loved in the middle of the room when those white birds come down. This one reminded me of them. They are just so dainty and beautiful. So I found this one on Temu, and they also had these bamboo handles, and I thought those would be perfect to have them sitting in. And this guy here was actually on a keychain, so I took that off. And I found some fabric on there with parrots on it and some ribbon. So this is just a quick little DIY video just showing how I made these tiki room ears.